Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am fine too by the grace of Allah. I am a Ritoy sir. I will teach you today RST chapter 3 from second term exam syllabus. Name of the chapters Akhlaq. You open your book and follow my lecture. In my first lecture, I gave you reading understanding, true false, FB and matching, but in this lecture I will teach you short question answers and true false. You follow the lectures and write the short question answers on your CW copy. In your book there are 15 short question answers, but in our syllabus there are 12 short question answers. So open the book at page 40, 53 and 54. Question number 1. How was the character of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The character of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the best. Allah the Great says, you have indeed in the messengers of Allah a beautiful conduct. Question number 2. How we will behave with the parents? Answer is, the parents are the nearest persons to us. We will behave well with the parents always. We should not speak harsh with them. We will never hurt them. Question number 3. What we will say when we meet the teachers? The answer is, the teachers build up us as a real human beings, like the parents. We will say salam to them when we will meet them. We will ask about their good and bad conditions. Number 5. How the great Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam behave with the elders. The great Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would honor the elders and love the youngers very much. He behaved very well with all. Question number 6. What did the great Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam do with the youngers? The characters of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the best. He loved the youngers very much. Question number 7. How we have to behave with the domestic servants. At our home there are elderly servants. We will honor them. We will show them respect. Question number 8. What we will do if the neighbors are hungry. These who lived around us are our neighbors. If our neighbors are hungry, we will give food to them. Question number 9. What we shall do with the patients. We shall give nursing the patients, inquire of them and pray to the Almighty Allah for their recovery. Which sin is the root of all sins? Telling lies is the root of all sins. The man who tells a lie is called a liar. Nobody loves and trusts a liar. Next question, this is the last question. Who can be called a greedy man? A man who has greediness is called a greedy man. Greediness is a sin. A greedy man will never be happy and get no peace in mind. This is the 12 question answers. You will write the question answers on your CW copy and be prepared for your second term exams. Next, now I want to give you true false. 1 number, high sound of television and radio cassette causes difficulties for neighbors. This is true. Disease or illness is the test comes from Allah. This is true. Telling lies is the root of all sin. This is true. A greedy man will be happy man. This is false. Because the greedy man never will be happy man. Greed begets sin and sin begets death. This is true. The backbiter will enter heaven. This is false. Who has bad character is a lovable person. This is false, because nobody loves and likes the bad persons. Students, this is the true false. This is the short question answers. This is my second lectures. In my next lectures, as I will give you the broad question answers. Stay at home and keep yourselves safe. Pray for me. I will pray for you. God bless you. Thank you very much.